Thank you for continuing to this video. Now I can explain how we were poisoned by the neonics. Just for some background, we're an insectary that raises predatory mites. Farmers release our predators onto their crops to control pests like spider mites. Part of our process involves raising these spider mites on lima bean plants that we grow from seed. The seed that we use is treated with a fungicide. In June of 2021, we received a shipment of seed that was, unbeknownst to us, also treated with a neonicotinoid systemic insecticide. For those of you that are unfamiliar, systemic means that it's inside the plant tissue and it lasts 50 to 100 times longer than just spraying it on. And neonics are the most common agricultural pesticide used in the world. Now, this part is incredibly important. We feed our predators the eggs laid by the spider mites that were raised on these lima bean plants. Our spider mites ingested the now toxic leaf tissue and metabolized it into a different, even stronger neonic, both of which are widely used in food production today. Let me reiterate. I have lab results that show that the parents are less toxic than the offspring. There's 3 times as much of the stronger neonic in the eggs than the original poison from the seed treatment. And that's what I fed my predators. And that's how I lost 12 million of them overnight. Now, imagine you're a lima bean farmer or a strawberry farmer and you found spider mites. Any predatory mites that you apply are gonna die. Native predatory species have all been killed off the same way. And what's even worse is that farmers use these every year across the country. Now, zoom out. This is happening on a global scale. I'm working with academic leaders and trusted farmers to publish these findings. And I'm sharing this with you today to get the attention of those in the position to enact real change so we can save our food and our land and our future. I'm Andrew from Biotactics, and I look forward to growing with you.